Hey, how are you? Say, can you help me a moment? We ate, and afterwards we went for a walk. He stood up, then walked to the door. It was raining. Nevertheless, we went for a walk. Although it's raining, we're still going. You know, I think it's a good idea. Life is simple. In fact, very simple. It's raining, so we stay inside. I'm saving money so that I can travel. Look, it's very simple. I'm busy, therefore I can't come. He is calm, his brother, on the other hand, is very busy. I read while you watch TV. You work meanwhile, I rest. You should eat healthy. For example, fruit and vegetables. I love sports, like tennis and football. Life is simple. In fact, very simple. It's raining, so we stay inside. I'm saving money so that I can travel. Listen, this is important. Oh yeah, where was I? He was sick and therefore absent. He is, after all, the boss, so he decides. By the way, this is not yet definitive. Actually, I want to say something else. By the way, have you seen that new film yet? It lasts, let's say, an hour. Say, that's a good point. You have a point there. Not that it matters, but you have something on your shirt. How shall I say it? It was a bit weird.